my name is Monica Rajput Kathuria. And today in my video, I'm gonna tell you about the 12 wardrobe essential, stylish essential items you must have in your wardrobe. So without wasting time, I'll start. A quick short video. I'm making this for you all. Maybe I hope this is going to be beneficial for all the beautiful ladies. So the first thing you must have in your wardrobe, that is the black slacks. If you're wearing some short dresses or something mini or dresses and you're uncomfortable wearing it, then you can pair it with black slacks. And the second thing you must have in your wardrobe, that is the medium or dark wash jeans, which is a very important essential wardrobe item every girl or lady should have. The third is basic black and white t-shirt. Again, you can pair it with any denim or any trouser. So black and white t-shirt must have in your wardrobe. And the next is white button t-shirt, which looks classy when you wear it or pair it with denims or trouser again. And the next, a black dress for the evening parties, which we call LBT, little black dress. And the next is a cardigan sweater for the winters. And definitely then you must have a neutral color shoes. You must have a neutral color bag which you can carry with any outfit. Like if you don't have much choices for the shoes, then you must have a neutral color bag and neutral color shoes, so that you need not to think a lot, what should I wear with this dress, what should I carry with this dress. So if you have a neutral color bag, neutral color shoes, so you can pair it with any color, any style, and it really look classy. And the next is you must have a good shapewear. If you're not comfortable with the fit of the garment, if you're not comfortable with your body and you feel you want to look like slim or fit, then you must have a good shapewear. Alright, and for the winters, a very important or very classy essential item you must have in your wardrobe, that is a trench coat. When you wear it, you look awesome, you look fabulous. So try it with heels, trench coat, with some denims, with some trousers, with good heels. So this must have in your wardrobe. And the next is a good camisole. All ladies, all girls must have a good camisole in your wardrobe. So these are the essential wardrobe for women you must have in your wardrobe. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, then do subscribe my channel on YouTube, which is Mosho Vlogs. You can also follow me on my Instagram channel, Monica Rajput 06, and do give me some love, likes. And in future I do share more videos on fashion styling. I'll make more videos what you should wear, what color you should wear, what lines you should wear. I'll give you more videos on what kind of body shape you are having, according to your body shape what you should wear. So keep liking, describing my channel, Mosho Vlogs. Thank you.